Hey there, parents and caregivers. Welcome back to the Product Critique channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about, especially if you have little ones who are just starting to explore solid foods. We're going to take a closer look at the tiny twinkle mess-proof baby bib, a game changer in the world of baby feeding bibs. Now, before we dive into this review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews on parenting products. Alright, let's get started with the tiny twinkle mess-proof baby bib. First off, this bib is designed to make your life as a parent a whole lot easier. It's available in a 2-pack, and you can choose between 2 sizes. Small for 6 to 24 months and large for 2 to 4 years. One of the standout features of this bib is its material. It's made from 100% recycled polyester, which is not only lightweight but also water repellent. Plus, it's treated with a special waterproof back coating to keep your little one dry during mealtime messes. Now, here's the game changer. The tiny twinkle mess-proof bib comes with a bottom pocket. This pocket is perfect for catching spills and those little bits of food that always seem to find their way onto your baby's lap. It's like a built-in food catcher. Putting this bib on and taking it off is a breeze, thanks to the tug-proof closure. It stays securely in place when you want it to, but it's also easy to remove without snagging your baby's hair. Whether you're at home or on the go, this bib is your perfect partner. It's great for messy meals at home or when you're out and about in restaurants or on trips. No more stressing about food messes ruining your baby's adorable outfits. In conclusion, the tiny twinkle mess-proof baby bib is a must-have for parents of little ones who are exploring solid foods. It's designed with both practicality and comfort in mind, making mealtime a lot less messy and stressful. If you're interested in picking up this fantastic bib, you can find the link in the video description below. And if you've already tried it, share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we help you make informed choices for your little ones. Until next time, happy parenting.